The burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are the product of the composition of an organism made of carbon. The organism died millions of years ago. Nowadays, humans burn fossil fuels to produce energy, releasing vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect, which causes global warming. About 33 billion tons of CO2 are released from burning fossil fuels per year. Fossil fuel burn accounts for 40% of the total CO2 emissions worldwide. Out of 421 parts per million of CO2 in the atmosphere, about 3 trillion tons, 65 billion tons are absorbed by trees. This demonstrates that trees are the most important regulator of CO2 in the atmosphere. Carbon emissions have increased exponentially over half a century, going from 0.1 to 0.8 ppm increase per year in 1960 to roughly 2.4 ppm increase per year in the 2010 decade. In the Climate.gov article, Climate Change, Atmospheric Carbon Dioxide, it is stated that fossil fuels like coal and oil contain carbon that plants pulled out of the atmosphere through photosynthesis over many millions of years ago. We're returning that carbon to the atmosphere in just a few hundred. If we continue to burn fossil fuels and deforestate our rainforests at this rate, we'll emit so much CO2 that there will be an insufficient amount of trees to take it back. We will then cause global warming to start damaging the Earth and destroy our environments, as well as modify the geography of the Earth, awaiting the melting of polar ice caps, rising seas, and climate change. We need to stop burning fossil fuels and make a change to renewable energy sources in order to reduce the amount of CO2 emissions and prevent global warming from damaging our world.